Hi, I'm Paul from Production Expert. In this video, I'm going to show you how I get a vocal that sounds like this. That sounds like this. Just by using the Fat Channel collection from PreSonus. So for this video, I'm going to be concentrating on the vocal. Let's have a listen before I put any of the plugins in.
What man come into our house, pick things up and take them out so casually.
Now the vocal performance is really great and it's been recorded really nicely, but I just want to get it a bit more in my face and brighten it up a bit. So first of all, let's have a look at the compression. And I'm going to choose for this the Everest C100A.
What man come into our house, pick things up and
right, let's bring up the gain reduction
so casually.
and let's compensate with the gain.
Taking pictures off the wall, closing lights and closing doors.
So already that's brought the vocal a lot more forward in the mix. But let's adjust the attack and the release.
So hard to see.
Right, let's put the attack on medium.
'Cause I keep going back to that night.
And let's try the release on medium too.
The lake side by side. I never felt that close to anyone.
Right, let's bypass it.
No, waking up so hard I couldn't breathe.
And let's bring it in.
You I couldn't speak. I'm haunted by these memories. Now we're strangers when we meet.
Now for me that's really helped, but now I'm going to bring in some EQ. So in this song I'm going to put the equalizer before the compressor. So I'm going to push this button here. And let's try the Vintage 3 band.
I keep going back to that night, lying by the lake side by side. I never felt that.
Right, let's switch it to 12K.
Anyone, no, waking up so hard I couldn't breathe.
And let's give it a bit of a boost.
Love with you I couldn't speak. I'm haunted by these memories. Now
That's giving it the top end that I need as I'm using the shelf at 12K and I'm just boosting it by about 3 dB. But there's some mid frequencies that I'd like to remove. I'm going to leave it at 350 Hz. And let's switch on the high Q.
we're strangers.
Right, let's solo the vocal.
The van is packed, it pulls
Right, I'm going to
away.
boost it now so you can hear the frequency that I'm going to reduce.
The bills are paid. The house is locked.
Let's just bring it back just like 1.5 dB.
You put your hair behind your ear, turn the key and
Right, let's bypass it.
disappear. While I just watch.
Bring it in. And let's hear that in the mix.
I keep going back to that night, lying by the lake side by side.
So I'm Paul from Production Expert. Hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you guys next time.